Okay, this is just one of the ways that you can cook the meat. I pre-cook the meat in the oven so that I don't have to sit there and watch it. I know there's a timer on, and I can prepare other things, whether it be the side dishes or whatever. You can put them on the grill at a low heat, but you need to watch your heat, and it doesn't need to get over 220 degrees because you want to slow cook these so that they'll have that consistency. The slow cooking is the key. The faster you cook, the tougher the meat. So you want to make sure you cook them slow. And if you cook them on the grill, totally on the grill, not in the oven, or not boiled. I don't prefer boiling because it boils the juices and the flavor out of the meat. But if you do it on the grill, just like when you finished, you want to have your fire far away from it, and you put the meat over here where there is no fire, and just let the heat transfer over and slowly cook that meat. That way you won't get a grease fire over here above your fire, because as you're cooking meat, the juices drip through, and they'll get on the heat shields that are over your burners, and it'll cause a grease fire. Now, if you're cooking with charcoal, your charcoal, the ashes always need to be white and glowing, you know. But the downside of charcoal is it's a nice flavor, but you have to be right there. You have to keep adding charcoal or wood. Another trick you can use is you can take some mesquite chips and you soak them in water, and then you can drop them down onto the heat shields, and they will actually smoke over to the meat. If you don't want to grill them, you can also smoke the ribs, and you smoke those for about 7 to 8 hours. So it's a longer process. This is another way you can prepare your ribs on the smoker. You have a fire door here. What I have in this smoker is I have a pan of water. So basically steam is helping me cook it, but I also have some chips of mesquite wood in there that's providing the smoke. This is an electric smoker. I can set the temperature and, like I said, go off and prepare my other dishes. You can have a smoker. There's some smokers that have a firebox on the end. It would look like a grill, but it's a firebox. So your fire's here. It's away from the meat. You're actually forcing smoke to go through the meat, and the meat is what preserves it, and it also cooks it because the smoke is hot. It's just whatever your preference would be. As you move from the grill to a smoker, it'll be a trial and error thing. You'll learn as time goes by. You know. You might get lucky and it might turn out just great the first time, but it's going to take you a few tries.